So today let me start my adventure. It's been 3-4 days I haven't started it. Let me start and see. Oh god. So this is the problem in adventure. So the front tire air keeps reducing. I will have to fill the air. Let me fill air. So I keep this handy so that I can fill the air myself rather than going somewhere else. So I have used this in my cars. This would be the first time that I would be using on my bike. Let's see what is the tire pressure. So most of the people in my adventure group are facing this issue. So some say that you need to change the valve. So right now the pressure is 10. So before leaving for any ride, just do check on the tire pressure and then go for a ride, because if you are stuck in middle and due to lockdown, many of the tire shops are not open yet. So it's filling fuel. Let me check. Yes. So I need to go at the service center for two things. One is the petrol pipe and the second one is the front disc bolt. So some of my friends have gone and replaced it. So let me go there and replace it. So today I'll just take a round in my area because there is a lockdown, and in Mumbai 2 km is the limit that they have given us. I'll also check if any puncture is there or not. So I'll go to the local shop and see if I can find any shop open. Let me keep this over here. That's my tank bag, Guardian gas. Let me lock it. And let's roll on Adventure 390 and see. I'm just testing it in my area and not going somewhere else, as I had not taken this adventure route for 3-4 days. Okay. Let's go back home. So this is my new playground where I ride my bike and the other car also. It's just to be on a safer side. Let's park it. So ending this video over here, going back home. Chalo, bye. Do take care, and do leave a comment and let me know how it is, how are my videos, so that I know. Chalo, bye. Take care.